Hey guys, today we're gonna make veggie noodles. So that's wampum Nepali noodles. We're gonna use that and half a bowl of that veggies as well. Now let's boil the noodles. Let the water boil for 3 minutes and then go ahead and rinse it like that. Make sure to use cold water. Now let's make some tomato sauce that goes with noodles, and we go add some oil. Let the oil heat up for a little bit. Now we're gonna put cumin and onion. Let it cook for maybe a minute or so. Alright, now we're gonna use tomato sauce. Make sure to add water here and there so your tomato sauce doesn't dry. There you go, cumin seed, paprika. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna use mustard powder. There you go. Add your veggies. That's onion, leaves, bell peppers. There you go. And cilantros. There you go. Now mix it all together and add your peas and carrots. Mix them all together. Now this is a masala that comes in noodles, so go ahead and use that as well. Now let's put noodles. There we go. Now mix that noodles with all that sauces and veggies. Blend it well with all that together. Hey guys, make sure you guys keep stirring so that your noodles it doesn't fry up or burn, and make sure to turn your heat on medium. That's very important so you don't fry your noodles. Now add some cilantro. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos.